Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Today is a special day. I just want to greet all the moms a happy Mother's Day. This breakfast, it's gonna be a great idea to serve and to make them feel special for Mother's Day. So let's do it.
On a medium-high heat temperature pan, let's add 1 tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of butter. Then add a handful of ENOKI mushroom. A salt to taste. While cooking the ENOKI mushroom, let's prepare 1/2 of avocado. Let's add the 2 fresh eggs. Salt to taste. Then add the arugula salad, or you can use any spring salad mix that you want to put. A 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. I love it. And lastly, the avocado. It's like I'm just making food art on a pan. Let's just wait until the mozzarella cheese melted, and then it's ready. Just garnish with chives and a little bit fresh ground black pepper to taste. And lastly, just add hot sauce. I just love spicy food. It is optional. Mother's Day is all about celebrating the woman who raised you and shaped who you are as a person. It is important to thank her for all the love and work she put in through the years. So remind her of your love and appreciation with the simple gesture.
I hope you guys enjoyed our Cooking Simply Delicious breakfast today. And for more Cooking Simply Delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day again. Enjoy.